Have you ever been on a road trip and asked the question, are we there yet? If the response to your question was, only a few more astronomical units, the following questions might come to mind. What are astronomical units? Does that mean we are close? An astronomical unit, or AU, is equivalent to the average distance between the Earth and the Sun, 149,600,000 kilometers. Astronomical units are used to measure distances of the planets from the Sun in our solar system. Distances between the planets and the Sun are so large it is easier to express these distances using astronomical units rather than kilometers. Planets closer to the Sun than Earth, such as Venus and Mercury, will be less than 1 AU in distance, while planets further from the Sun than Earth will measure at more than 1 AU in distance. Distances in space are so large that it would take a very long time to reach even the closest planets. Let's use Mars as an example. The average distance between Earth and Mars is 0.52 astronomical units, or 78,320 kilometers. Given the average distance between Earth and Mars, and traveling at a basic highway speed of 110 kilometers per hour, you would arrive at Mars in approximately 81 years. Traveling by spacecraft might be a better option. A one-way trip to Mars by spacecraft would reduce your arrival time to approximately 9 months.